Swastika, and this is Palak.
तो आज हमारा एक Q&A राउंड है काइंड ऑफ, जो हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कुछ जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करेंगे.
तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सम क्वेश्चन, जिससे पता चलेगा कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे को कितना बेटर तरीके से जानते हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट, तो उसको स्टार्ट करें. एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन डिड वी फर्स्ट मीट?
फर्स्ट मेट इन द स्कूल,
क्लास 9th grade.
क्लास 9.
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था 8 से 9th में. सो आई चेंज स्कूल. उस वहाँ पे हम लोग गए थे फर्स्ट. व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट टॉक वी हैड?
The first talk was the insult that we have done
Of mine.
of her just because she was eating so slow and drama bow kind of. That's why.
Okay, next is, where can you find me always?
At
Me?
her home.
Me, she can also make me home. And for her, all Sundays at home or online.
Yeah.
Next question is, what has been my greatest accomplishment? ऐसा कुछ है जब तक हम दोनों ने अचीव किया नहीं कि ग्रेटेस्ट
हमारी लाइफ में अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
अभी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. आगे है, where would we go if we could go on any vacation?
Maybe on mountains.
Mountains. Yeah. Always mountains. Next is, describe my perfect day. According to you, what would be my perfect day?
Like spending time with each other.
With each other. Who would I invite to my fantasy dinner party? No one. No one. I would like to celebrate my birthday alone with friends and family. That's it. And in friends also, I would only going to invite her. That's it. Only one. Well, हम लोग का ये duo नहीं था. Actually, मैं trio था. But one of our friend is
Left us alone.
left us and has gone to Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad
For
the
her
college.
studies.
Describe my perfect day. ये तो हो गया ना. Who would I invite to my birthday? Back then, did you think we would be friends for this long? आपको क्या लगा था कि हम लोग इतने
नहीं ऐसा
इतना लंबा हम लोग अभी फ्रेंडशिप चल पाएगी?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ
बट स्टिल
लगा नहीं था.
बट
लेकिन बस जिसके साथ लगता है उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप चलती थी, जिसे नहीं लगता उसके साथ चल जाती.
what was my most embarrassing moment? Every time when I eat outside, I feel like that moment is my most embarrassing moment. I'm very comfortable when I'm eating inside, indoors or at my home. But whenever I'm outside, I'm just too conscious, self-conscious. That's embarrassing moment I always had while eating. आपका क्या?
मेरा, मैं जब भी कुछ बोल देती हूँ किसी को, then
most
I
embarrassing moment.
think, I overthink that वो चीज़ हम मुझे नहीं बोलनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन वो पता नहीं मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा होगा. बट आई डोंट नो कि वो सोच भी रहा होगा कि नहीं, कि वो मैं ही सोच रही हूँ पहले.
Which fashion decision was my biggest mistake? मैं फैशन करती ही नहीं. And मेरा boredom is my clothing. You can know what kind of a bored person I am by my clothing. Okay, आगे है, कुछ क्वेश्चन तुम भी बोल सकते हो. Name the song I love singing to in the car with you the most. In the car?
We have not traveled in a car together.
So this question is completely invalid. हटा दो इस क्वेश्चन को. Okay, next question is, who was your biggest crush when you were younger?
I have no idea.
Me too. I don't have any crush on anyone. उतना कोई अच्छा नहीं.
तो कोई अच्छा लगा ही नहीं मुझे.
Why do you think we get along so well? हम लोग अभी तक इतने दिनों तक, इतने सालों तक साथ हैं.
मे भी हमारी वाइब मैच करती है.
Maybe. But I still don't know why we are, क्योंकि हम लोग काफ़ी अलग हैं एक
तो
दूसरे से.
फ्रेंड्स होना पता नहीं.
एंड जनरली हमें काफ़ी अलग है एक दूसरे से। एक मेरा कम्प्लीटली स्टडी का फील्ड भी दूसरा है, इसका कम्प्लीटली स्टडी का फील्ड भी दूसरा है। कॉमर्स की बच्ची है ये, साइंस फील्ड।
हाँ वो हम लोग खुद को नहीं पता।
Which game or reality show would I do best on? बताओ। I think I will do Big Boss later.
Yeah, maybe Big Boss.
And I think she will do better in खतरों के खिलाड़ी। Yes, I do think so. ये मारकाट कर सकती है।
मुझे वो डेंजर वाला काम पसंद।
नहीं बिग बॉस में चलता मेरे को साथ होता है।
हाँ बिग बॉस
बिग बॉस इज गुड।
बिग बॉस चलता है। लड़ाई झगड़ा सकते हैं तो वैसे ही तुम्हारी।
What do you do that what do you do that makes me the laugh the weirdest or hardest? Making fun of each other or
Yeah.
judging together
Or
any
judging
other
together.
person. That's the best pastime we have.
Yeah.
Is it a
Cracking the most बेतुका joke.
joke? Is there a smell that reminds you of me?
No, that's it because हम लोग परफ्यूम्स लगाते नहीं
हम लोग को
जिससे हमें एक दूसरे
को याद आए। If I become president, what do you think I would do first? What would I do first if I become president? रोएंगे खाएंगे पिएंगे और क्या?
of becoming a president. Even me also.
Honesty is the best policy, guys.
That is
Honesty is the
the
best policy.
responsible thing ever. Opposition ever.
What's the worst thing that has ever happened to you? बताओ, according to you, what is the worst thing that has ever happened to you? तो कभी भी मेरे साथ हुआ हो, like worst,
Like
like
नीट नहीं क्रैक हुआ.
true कि like नीट क्रैक नहीं, worst night में
अभी तक का तो वही है.
अभी तक का तो वही है.
आगे पता नहीं.
If I were a board game, which would I be?
Maybe कैरम बोर्ड.
And she might be Ludo. True, that she might be Ludo. Okay. What's the worst thing? What drives me crazy? Nothing. Except science facts. What drives you crazy?
Like most of the things
Like what? Most of the things, guys.
that our college professors do.
That is of another level. If we were stuck on a desert island, why would I be an asset? Should I be an asset? But why would I myself want to be an asset?
No, you can't be an asset.
Neither can she.
No one can. But
No.
but ये होता है कि डेजर्ट आइलैंड पे जाएंगे तो
हाँ, क्यों ही जाएंगे हम लोग आइलैंड पे? हम लोग पहाड़ी लोग हैं. We would go to mountains.
फर्स्ट बात है कि डेजर्ट आइलैंड पे जाएगा ही क्यों कोई. What's your
बोलो
favorite
तो.
memory of us?
Okay, what's our favorite memory of us? Eating food from our lunch boxes. Like
All good.
literal. With
Okay.
hands. Maggie and Chowmin with hands and putting
Or
them in our
that
mouths.
one moment when we are going to the third friend's home.
That
And
was the first time. We
surprised
were
her.
surprised our third friend, Apurva, right? Yeah. Okay, so without announcement, we had gone to her house, and when we were standing नीचे खड़े थे हम लोग जब, तो we called her and said, "Hey, बाहर निकलो, हम लोग बाहर हैं तुम्हारे." And she got so much scared with that she herself like moved from Varanasi to Mamurgan. Mamurgan, right? Mughalsarai. And we thought अब तो ये सरप्राइज नहीं काम चलेगा, अब तो उसको फिर लेटर लिखना पड़ेगा.
उसके बाद वो बिना मिले हैदराबाद चली गई।
उसने जब मैं बदला निकाला था।
तो अब तो पता नहीं कब मिलेगा। We don't know.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
I am a cookie, ice cream or a cake person.
शी इज एन आइसक्रीम पर्सन, आइसक्रीम
Yes.
पर्सन। When were you the most impressed by me? She is never impressed by me, guys. Maybe she might get impressed when I crack me. तो उसे
Yeah.
लगे कि हाँ and I am a studious person or something. Okay. Well, I feel the same. I am not impressed by you. The feelings are genuine.
Yeah. कभी भी दोस्त एक दूसरे से
Impress नहीं हो सकते।
पाते। तो होना भी नहीं चाहिए।
And when you were the most disappointed by me? Always. In everything we do, we get disappointed by each other. Like right now, we are shooting this vlog. I don't even know that if we are going to post it or not. कि edit भी हो पाएगा अच्छे से या नहीं. But still we are doing it. क्यों? Because we want to figure out कि no, we actually want to figure out कि हम लोग अपने fear पे काबू कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. For me, it was like post करने पे लोग judge करेंगे and all. But still, we are figuring out and overcoming this fear. Okay, what are the best and worst dates I've ever gone on? I've never been to a date. Neither she. No, we are interested. What do I order at a bar? If I ever went to a bar, what do you think I would ever order from a bar? A mocktail. True that. Even if I go to a bar, I will only order a mocktail, guys. That's it. Okay. With this, our friend's question and answer comes to an end. And I guess this was it. And I hope I will post this. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. And we are shooting it in her phone. I don't know, guys, if she's going to send it to me or not. But I will definitely post it. चुरा के post करूँगी.
ठीक है।
Okay. Bye.